Model, 2019 Vauxhall Vivaro Combi Vivaro Combi 1.6 Cdti S Minibus X Taxi needs turbo no VAT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 196,155. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS CDTI S. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine starts and idles, perfectly straightforward simple turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise Contron, electric windows, sat nav,